Relax your body. Move your attention to your feet, pouring your focus, your intention into them. And as liquid light flowing, move your awareness from your toes and the soles of your feet, the skin, the bones, the muscles, and flowing upward through your ankles, past calves, into your knees, where the energy is circulating, removing barriers to your forward motion, removing aches and pains, and flowing, moving as supple energy, waves of life force move through your thighs, your buttocks, to your perineum, your root energy chakra center, with cascading light flowing through in every direction. Harmony, balance, and alignment occurs. And sink in, giving yourself permission, ease. Just experience. Hold your attention, your focus in your root center. Knowing, claiming, and owning that what you seek does occur. The alignment, the fine-tuning, the raising of frequencies, of physical vibration. And breathing, taking in, squeeze your muscles. Holding, knowing you're attuned and aligned. You are complete and whole. And breathing out and relaxing the perineum muscles, knowing you are complete. You are aligned and whole. And trusting your body, the energy being in which you are, to bring all into sacred space of body, energy, spirit, mood, emotion, frequency, every aspect of which you are. And moving, flowing your attention up to just under and behind your belly button. The light moves, it flows, it fills and shoots forth as waves in every direction, blending down into your root, flowing up into your solar plexus, just above your belly button. And from the center of your core, the center of your physical form, this light, this powerful energy shines forth. Bring your attention in, be focused, be here in this space, and surrender in trust and knowing of your ability to be present, of your ability to be aligned in higher frequency, and that as you are, all aspects of your outward life align as well with your higher good, your higher journey. and healing occurs. And you breathe. Breathing in through your nose with your intent on trust, on your flowing and surrender into the energy, the high frequency of life force you are. And breathing out, letting go, relaxing tension, and feeling the rush of trust, of higher frequency flow through you. And moving, flowing, cascading still into your heart center, the center of your chest, flowing in every single direction. The most glorious light shines out through your form, beyond the space you are physically located, for time and space cannot contain it. And relaxing, knowing, feel the power within, the presence of your energy being, yourself, as electrical flow, as light. And allow there to be that flow in every single direction, connecting with the lower 3 energy centers flowing down your legs, past knees, your feet, and out through your skin in every single direction. In front and back and up through your torso, past collarbones, your shoulders, down arms, out your hands, knowing the healing flows freely and that you can direct and move this light flow, the energy frequencies with your intention, mingled and laid upon the openness of your heart, with gratitude, with love, and the mastery in which you are as a being of light. And through your throat, through the back and the front of your head, the light flows, opening, allowing your speech with great ease. And through the center of your head, your brain, enlightening your thinking, creating new neural passageways for your motion forward in the world. And out through the top center of your head, the light moves, it flows while equally cascaded through each energy center of your body, out your full form in every direction as light. And from your crown, top center of the head, the energy flows upward, igniting the passion of your heart, the intention of your mind, and the essence, the life force, creativity you are in action. And you sit in this space, taking in the breath, breathing out, letting go what no longer serves you. And as you are ready, get up and move through your day, evening or night, as this aware, connected, vibrant and powerful being of energy and love that you are. Shalom.